Hola bafethu, let's talk about Onyango's return in the Mamelodi Sundowns with an incredible performance last night against Stelis. Guys, let's be honest, since Cardoso has arrived at the Mamelodi Sundowns, there are incredible changes. First, let's talk about Dennis Onyango, who has been on the bench for quite some months now, since he got a red card while there was still Manqoba Mngqithi as the head coach, and he has been on the bench since then. But we saw him yesterday, Uguti, he was back on the field and he was doing magic bafethu. He really played well. Now let's jump and look at the second half bafethu, because that's when Onyango showed out ukuthi he still got it. At the 57th minute, there's this cross bafethu that was delivered by Titus from the corner side. Nyamazi nani Titus ukuthi that's the big fish of Stellenbosch. Dion with an incredible finish. Onyango saved the ball easy like that bafethu, so that was incredible. Not after so long, 40. After 58 minutes, Sundowns misplayed their pass, which caused them to lose the ball at the wrong location. Jaden Adams provided an amazing pass to Titus, while Pinda futhi Onyango again refused with the goal. Inhle game edlalo Onyango lapha bafethu. 78 minutes, Upans provided a clean cross outside the box to Titus. Titus with the header, incredible save by Onyango again futhi bafethu, and that was a great save futhi again from Onyango bafethu. Let's be honest bafethu, Onyango deserved to be a man of the match kule game bafethu. Please place your thoughts on the comment section. I will see you on the next video. Nsale kahle.